This video is sponsored by Masterbundles. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an amazing tutorial where I will show you how to create a logo for selling. Also, I will introduce a website where you can easily sell your logos and earn money from the website. So let's watch the video. First, take a ellipse tool and draw a circle. Copy the circle by hold Alt and place it on the one side of the circle. Again, copy the circle by hold Alt and place it up through the middle of the two circles like that. Now select everything and increase the stroke color. Now select everything and make it expand for that. Go Object and select Expand. Okay, that's good. Now take Line Segment tool and draw a line in the middle of the circle like that. Now select everything and take Shape Builder tool and remove this parts like that. Okay, that's good. Now take another line and draw a line in the middle of the middle circle. Now rotate the circle 4 to 5 degrees. Also place the line in the middle point of the circle like that. Now select everything and take Shape Builder tool and delete this parts like that. Now select everything and make it united. Now take Move tool and curve this part like that. Okay, that's good. So we have designed cloud icon. Now we draw D letter. So for making D letter, take rectangular tool and draw square. Now curve the one side of the square like that. Now select the cloud icon, bring it front. Also change the color of the cloud icon. Now select everything and make it middle align center. Place the cloud icon perfect position that will look more good. You can also increase the stroke color of the icon for making more beautiful like that. Okay, that's good. Now use color on this logo. Also curve the D corner like that for a little more good. Okay, that's good. Use the gradient color perfectly. Now write the logo name. The logo name is to cloud. You can also add here logo slogan or logo tag. I write here tag is foundation. Increase the tag space for looking more professional. So friends, this is our today's logo. Now I will discuss a website where you can sell your design. There are many marketplaces online where you can sell your design, but it's also tough to approve your design on those marketplaces. So today, I'm going to discuss Masterbundles website where you can easily approve and sell your design. So let's watching the video. First, search on Google Masterbundles. Go to the website. This is the website for selling your design here. You need to register first. This is very easy to register. For registered, go to login. Now provide these informations and easily registered. Okay, that's good. Now you can upload your design here. For that, you need to go first to your account. See that here is option to add product, click here. Okay, that's good. Now check it out that here is given file's name which need to upload it. Carefully read this criteria. You need to upload these file for selling your logo on this website. Number 1. Preview image, file size 1100 pixel into 1100 pixel. Number 2. AI file of your design and then make it ZIP. Number 3. Pinterest image, file size 1000 pixel into 1500 pixel. After making these file, we will upload your design here. So, let's watching how to upload your design. First, go to your account. Now click Add Product, and you can see this home page. Now, write here your product's title. Now add preview images which size 1100 pixel into 1100 pixel. Now upload here your design zip file. Now select the category of your design like that. Okay, that's good. Now write your design price that you want to sell. You can sell your design in different categories. You can add here your media link or can upload image. You can add more if you want. Now upload here your Pinterest images, which size is 1000 pixel into 1500 pixel. Write a short description here about your design. I wrote it before, now I have just pasted it. Okay, that's good. Now write here the relevant tag of your design. Select the file type that you provided. After done everything, this is the time to publish your file. Now click the Published option and publish your design. So friends, this was today's video. Basically, this website is great for the entry and intermediate level designer who always try to make passive income from this type of site. I have given the website link in my description. You can check it out and can make your passive income easily from this website. Thank you.